N.
What's this? L?
N.
What's this?
Lowercase.
No. What color is it?
Is it lowercase? Mama said it's lowercase.
Lowercase.
What's this place?
Case. What is this case?
But what this case is this?
This is lowercase.
Uppercase.
Okay, uppercase.
Wow, you are teaching Mama?
Mom, what's this?
Uppercase.
What's this?
Lowercase.
Yes, great. Okay.
What is this?
N for
Slide.
N for slide.
Yeah,
Where is slide?
there.
Okay.
Which one is slide?
There it is.
N for...
Mama, Bro's taking the slide.
That's not a slide, John. That's a swing.
Mama, this is slide.
No, it's a swing, John.
Mama, see, this is slide.
Okay. It's a
N
slide.
for
What's this?
slide.
Mama,
Mm.
what is this?
N for
Mama, what is this?
N for
House.
No, that's H for house. You can find more objects with the word N.
N for notebook. This one is notebook.
And what is this?
Mama, and small.
John, you ask Mama this. You ask Mama this. You ask Mama that.
Newspaper.
No, you ask Mama what is this.
Newspaper.
Okay, newspaper. Okay, next one, John. Next one. O for.
Mama, do you want one?
Mm-hmm.
Mama, what's this?
This one is O.
Mama, what is this?
O.
Mama, what's this?
O lowercase.
No. And Mama, what's this?
Lowercase.
No, uppercase.
Uppercase.
Not try again.
Okay. Uppercase. Lowercase.
Perfect.
Perfect.
Not slapping.
Okay.
High five.
Great.
Mama, what is that?
O for apple.
No,
What is this, John?
this is orange.
This is orange.
No, orange.
Orange.
No, orange.
O
Orange.
range.
John, you teach Mama. Mama doesn't know the correct pronunciation.
Mama.
You break the words, you break the letter, and then tell her.
Mama,
O.
letters.
Okay. O.
O.
You teach Mama. Range.
Mom. O.
O.
Orange.
Orange.
Yes, Mama learned it. Great.
Mama, what is this?
O for
Grapes.
olives.
No, grapes.
Okay.
Mom, what's that?
Is that grape?
Yeah.
No, John, it's not grape. It's olive oil. We make oil with this olive. Olive.
Mama,
Mm.
what is that?
Olives.
Olive oil.
Olive oil. Olives.
Okay. More. John, isn't it sleep time now? Maybe? John, isn't this the sleep time? I think we should be sleeping now.
No.
Oh yes, it's going to be 11
Mama's
o'clock.
tired now.
Mama is also tired, John.
Mama
Let's-
wants to sleep.
Let's sleep.
Mm-mm.
And what, you want to study more? You want to study more?
You want to teach Mama more, John?
Mom, what is that?
Are you Mama's teacher?
Mama, what is that?
O for ostrich.
No, up the spill.
What?
Up the spill.
Fistbill?
No, up the whoa. Mama, what's that?
O for
Banana.
banana.
That's banana.
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 Try again. Mama, banana.
Banana.
Hi.
No, it's still not very good. You teach Mama again.
Again.
Okay.
Banana.
Banana.
No banana.
Banana, na.
No, try again. Mama, break again.
Okay.
Okay.
By breaking the letters, by breaking the word, you try banana.
Number
B,
Ne,
ne
ne,
na.
no
na.
banana.
Banana.
Perfect. Great. You taught mama. Wow, John. Come on.
Working.
Kali's on the phone.
Kali is all busy in phone.
Mama, what's
Kali,
that?
is Kali working or Kali is just wasting time? Do you know that?
Kali's working.
Working?
Yeah.
Okay, John.
Kali is just wasting her time on phone.
That?
Oh, that's O for
Super.
Oh, for soup?
Yeah.
Okay. If you say oh
Mama,
for soup.
what's that?
O for
Okay, what, Mama? You
O
tell that. No,
for
that's although that's not for O. That's I think that's for that'll start with the T.
Mama, what is that?
What is that? Okay, Mama, you tell. No, what is this red thing?
tomato.
Is it the right way, John?
Yeah.
No.
It's tomato.
No.
How do we pronounce this word, John?
Mama, what's this?
No, how do we pronounce this?
Mama, what is that?
That's tomato.
No, tomato.
Yes.
Orange.
No, tomato.
Tomato.
That one is tomato.
No, Mama, it's the wrong way. Michelle, John, you tell Mama.
Mom,
How do we
what's
pronounce?
that? This is not tomato. This is orange.
This is orange. Okay.
This is orange.
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 Yeah.
Orange.
Oh, mama. Breaking.
Okay.
O.
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 S.
Range.
R.
Ring.
O.
O.
Orange.
Orange.
Perfect. Great. You taught Mama. Mama's pronunciation was bad and you just corrected it.
This is cotton candy.
This is green lollipop.
No, this is pink lollipop.
No, this is green. This is also green and
No,
yellow
this
lollipop.
is dirty. This is that yellow lollipop. Mom doing it more.
Mama is saying it the wrong way.
Mama, this wrong way.
Okay, you ask
Okay,
Mama
I'm
what is
sorry.
this. John, you ask Mama what is this.
Mom, try again.
Okay.
Mama, what? P?
P.
P?
P.
Mom, Mom, what's this?
It's lowercase.
No, uppercase. Try again.
It's lowercase.
Please try again.
It's lowercase, John.
Please.
It's lowercase.
Please.
What is this, John? You teach Mama. You teach Mama.
Mama, why don't you take upper word? Mama, this is uppercase.
Okay, uppercase.
Mom, try. Mom, what's this?
Uppercase.
Mom, what's this?
A lowercase.
Great. Yes, you taught Mama the right ways. Great. John, you ask Mama what is this.
Mama, what is this?
P for
Penguin.
Panda.
No. Penguin.
Pen.
Penguin.
Penguin.
No. Try again. Madre. Pear.
Pear.
No. Michelle is saying pear, Mama. Come on. Purr. It's the purr
Sorry.
sound.
Pear.
Pear.
Ing.
Ink.
Win.
Penguin.
Penguin.
Yes. You two did it. Great.
Mama?
Penguin.
What is this?
It's
Cotton candy.
it's a yellow lollipop.
No.
Mama.
You say the way Michelle says it.
Okay.
Why did you tell Mama in the ear? Why did you whisper? Why did you whisper in Mama's ear?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
No, but why did you do that?
Mama, I did it.
Okay,
Okay.
you tell Mama a new word.
Mama, what is that?
It's cotton candy.
Great. Yes. Okay, you ask some difficult word, John.
Mama, what is that?
It's
Okay.
Pizza.
it's
Pizza.
pizza.
No. You teach Mama the right way.
No, not in the ear. Not
What
in
is
the ear,
this?
please.
It's not. Mama says it. What is this? You ask again.
It's pizza.
Yeah.
No. It's pizza.
Mama, do you hear?
Yeah. Okay. You say it's a pizza. Pizza. Okay.
Mama, pizza.
Pizza.
Yeah.
Okay. Come on.
Mama, what's this?
This is pizza.
Yes, pizza.
Okay. Mama,
Next.
what is this?
This is
Popcorn.
this is
Popcorn.
lollicorn.
No.
Not in the ear, John. You tell Mama here.
Popcorn.
Popcorn.
What's this?
It's popcorn.
Great. Yes.
Mama, what's this?
It's
Cold drink.
cold drink.
Perfect.
Perfect. Great.
T for pineapple. P
Baby,
for
Michelle,
peacock.
Michelle Jan, it's the sleep time. I think we should sleep now. Oh yes. Baby, please. Daddy is tired. Daddy has to sleep. Mama, please give Michelle Dudu and switch off the light. Switch off the light. Enough, Jan. We will read it tomorrow.
No.
Oh, we will also buy new books. You remember, I have promised you we'll go to the market and purchase new books.
No.
Are you not excited for that? Huh? Are you not happy for that? Daddy will take you to the market and we will buy new books.
No. Read book.
You want to read more?
Okay. Let's read.
Mama, what is this?
P for pineapple.
Great.
Mom, what is this?
P for pink apple. दुकान ना लिखो क्रीम सी बहुत पाई दीजिए
Pineapple.
okay
Mama, what's this?
Okay, Mama, you tell her.
it's pineapple
No, it's pineapple.
Mom, pineapple.
Pineapple.
Yes.